Welcome back to my tutorial, everyone, and in this lecture we're going to be discussing strings, how to manipulate them, and how to add them to each other, and how to combine them without necessarily modifying them. Okay, so let's start with a sample string variable here. So var str1 is equal to hel, var str2 is equal to lo, and let's say we have, or we want to add them together. I can say var uh, not var, sorry, I can do string1 dot add and string2. So this is just basically adding them together just like you would with two numbers. It's going to append the lo to the end of hel, and it should be hello now. So if I do echo str1 and I save this and I compile my project and I run it here, it will print hello. So we've changed the string completely because we've added string 2 to string 1. So string 1 is actually modified now. Now let's say we have string 3 now. So var str3 is equal to, I'm going to leave a space. And of course I can do, world. So this is going to be our hello world example, but with adding concatenating strings. Now, without actually modifying string 1, I can go echo string 1. So I'm going to do string 1 and string 3. So what this will do is it will print them together, so the hello and the world, without actually modifying any of the string 1 and string 3. And in fact, I can make sure to check that's not the case. We can say echo string 1 is now, and then we can print string 1. And then I'm going to duplicate this and say string 3 is now, string 3. So you should see that none of them change. We just concatenate these two temporarily, not permanently like this one. So I'm going to go back to my terminal. I'm going to build this project. And as you can see, it will print hello world, and it will say string 1 is now hello, and string 3 is now hello world, sorry. So none of these change. We just added them by doing the AND operator. And in this case, string 1 did change because we added string 2 to it. And a note about strings in NIM, they are mutable. So their values can be changed. It's not like a const or let keyword or whatever. They're all mutable by default. You could have immutable strings, but that's a topic for another discussion. So I hope this lecture helped you and it was pretty useful, and I'll see you in the next lecture. Peace out.